Boxing-inspired workouts are an awesome way to burn lots of calories, challenge the muscles of your core and your upper body. We'll be going through combinations of boxing-inspired moves and higher intensity drills. I'll be showing modifications for intensity and impact throughout the workout. So if you're ready, grab a water bottle and a towel and let's go. So music's gonna start a little bit slower, but it's gonna get faster as we go. That way we can get warmed up. So give me a step touch. All right, bring your hands up. Give me a jab. Easy. Good. Get those elbows all the way out. Now start turning your hips a little bit more. Brace your abs tight. Give me 8 more. So you punch towards center. Now give me 2 jabs and then 2 jabs. So I'm pivoting my foot. Now single hook, take it across. So you want to stop that hook and make sure it doesn't go too far. You're stopping that movement. 8 more. I'm turning my hips with my punch. 4, 3. Now 2 uppercuts. So take it away from you. 2 more. Okay, let's go back to the jab. Now 2 jabs. Single hook. 2 uppercuts. Tap forward switch. Tap. And tap. We'll be doing this often. Good. 2 more. So we're going to do a knee lift, reach and pull. Now that knee doesn't have to be high. You're just warming up. Good, 2 more. Now make that a front kick. It can be low. Mine's going to be low. But you can kick higher if you've got that flexibility, you feel warmed up. You always kick at a height that challenges you with good form. Let's put it all together. Single jab. Now 2. And hook. 2 uppercuts. Step, knee, switch. 2 more. Then front kick. Flick your foot with control. All right, now stay on your right side. Get your feet apart. You never want your feet to be in a line. You want them apart. Knees and toes turned down. All right, bring the hands up. The chest is turned toward me. Okay, give me a jab cross. Easy jab cross. Still warming up. Reach that back punch. Hello there. Hi. We're just getting warmed up. Okay, now hook and uppercut. Hook up. Hook up. Now step and slip this shoulder. Slip. You're just getting out of the way. Now if you can make your movement bigger, please do. Jab cross. Now hook upper. Step, slip. You're going that way. Pull the abs in. You got that twist. Let's cut it down. Jab cross. Hook up. Slip. Jab cross. One more time. Hook up. Step, slip 2 times. Now give me a 3-knee repeater. And then turn around 3 knees and stay on this side. Jab cross only. Jab cross. How you doing? You're pivoting that back leg. Okay? Hook upper. Hook up. Hook up. Jab cross. Hook up. Now give me that step slip. This shoulder. They're getting out of the way. They're doing a cross punch. So I'm hitting this back leg. 2 more. Jab cross. Hook it up. Step slip. Okay, we're going to cut that half. Abs tight. Jab cross. Hook up. times. Jab cross. Hook up. Slip 2 times. Now 3D repeater. Turn around 3D, stay on this side. Now tap forward. Do you feel warm-ish? We're gonna keep working toward warming up. If you're warm, you can make it big, okay? All right, the first part, I haven't decided if putting complicated stuff is better at the beginning or in the middle. Just really depends on how much coffee and sleep I've had. But we're gonna break it down bit by bit. So up, up, hook. Up, up, hook. Up, up, hook. Front, back, hook. Now if you're warm, you can make it big. Okay, you got that? So I'm gonna add another punch, and this is another uppercut, your back uppercut. Up, up, hook, up. Okay? Up, up, hook, up. Up, up, hook, up. Now I'm gonna add a front upper, or hook. Hook. Okay? Up, up, hook, up, hook. That's all of them, okay? Up, up, hook, hook. Say it in your head. Or out loud, that's what I do. Up, hook, hook. Got that? So notice we're just pausing on those last 2 beats. Shuffle. Up, hook, hook. Forward, back. Your feet can leave the floor if you want. Don't think too hard. Up, hook, hook. This is the most complex thing you'll do today. You get this, you're good. Hook, hook. 2 more. Shoulders down, away from your ears. Okay. Tap forward, we're adding part 2. Part 2. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Turn away. 1, 2, 3. Turn away. 1, 2, 3. Turn. See, this is easy. Okay, can you make it bigger? 1, 2, 3. Twist. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 2 more. We're gonna go back to that first part with the up, hook, hook. 2, that's a mouthful. All right, here we go. Up, hook, hook. Go again. You got it? 2 more times. 1 more. Now 3 crosses with a twist. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 1, 2, 3. Twist. Now you can make everything smaller. But don't get your body involved. Up. Now 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Twist. Up, hook, hook. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Go again. Cross, cross, cross. Okay, 1 more time. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Now slip under. You go deeper if you want. Just going under, okay? All right, so you're gonna slip under, hook, hook, jab. Slip, hook, hook, jab. Hook, hook, jab. Now, if the slip bothers you for any reason, just step, touch forward, okay? Hook, hook, jab. That's what I'm gonna do. So you can always make it small. See, I have a hip thing, and it bothers me on some movements, so I kind of gotta go with what I can do. It's very sad. Feel sorry for me. 2 more. Hook, hook, jab. Okay, we're going from the top. Up, hook. 3 crosses. Or tap, hook, hook, jab. Tap again. That, or hook, hook, jab. Tap forward. What do you think? You good? Okay, we got one more thing. And then we gotta put it all together. Now this one, I always go, this one's easy. And then we're doing back handsprings. Okay? Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Okay? Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Now why do I say it so many times? When you say it, it puts it in your brain. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Only have 3 more. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. 2 more. Double, jab, cross. I'm already thinking ahead. Jab, cross, double, jab. Up, up, hook. 3 crosses. Give me the twist, slip, then front hook, back hook. Slip, hook, hook, jab, down. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Tap. We're going to go through that 4 times. I'm going to cue it as best I can, and I'm not going to think of what's coming. When I start thinking of what's coming, then my mind wants to do that. Up, up, hook. Here we go. Now 3 crosses in 1. So give me that twist, slip, hook, hook, jab. Jab, cross, double. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Up, up, hook. 3 crosses. Give me the twist, slip, hook, hook, jab. Slip, hook, hook, jab. Jab, cross, double, jab. Up, up, hook. 2 more times. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Twist, slip. Hook, hook, jab. Now jab, cross. Double. 1 more. Last chance. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Now slip. Hook, hook, jab. Jab, cross. Double. Nice. Okay. Before we go to the other side, I want you to clear your brain. We'll break down that side. We got a little drill. Make it as easy or as hard as you want. Tap your toe, tap your toe. Right? This should be it. Now up and over. Up. Now if you reach further with that foot and really turn your hips on the diagonal, you're going to work harder. I'm modifying a lot today. Can you reach your foot up further? Like you're going to reach for the ceiling with those fingertips. You can go faster than this music. All right, you got 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got a little punching drill, simple. Fast as you can go, fast as you want to go. Feet apart. Ting, 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 ting. Remember. Not this. Remember, not this. Don't play the drums, don't knock on the door. Punch, 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 punch. You want to go faster than the music, do it. Brace your core. Push, pull. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tap forward other side. Okay, so we're going to start all over. Part 1, the complicated part. So we'll start easy here. Up, up, hook. Up, up, hook. Front, back, front. Remember, your feet are apart. You're not aligned, your heel's not down. Okay, and you don't have your foot turned in. Okay, up. So many rules. Now I can move a little bit better on this side, but I'm still being careful. space. Okay, can we add on? All right, so it's up, hook, hook. Okay? Up, hook. Notice you just keep alternating your arm. Okay? Up, hook, hook. So if you alternate, you'll be fine. Okay? Up, hook, hook. No pressure there. Now give me a little shuffle there. Up, hook, hook. Forward, back. You don't have to leave the ground. You can just shift. Up, hook, hook. Ding, ding. Now what you have in your brain, word that drill. Up, hook. I said that for me. One more. Okay, next part. We got the 3 crosses with the twist. The twist. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Turn back. 1, 2. Remember, you're not twisting that knee. You're lifting. 2, 3. Twist. This music is plenty slow enough where you can really put power in your punch. If you're punching like this, and you can do more, you're gonna feel like, no, this isn't that hard. Remember, just like anything, you get out of what you put into it. Okay, up, hook. Up, hook, hook. Do it again. Let's start with the wrong arm. I'm very right side dominant. Up, hook, hook. Up, hook, hook. So you can mess up. 2 more. Okay, 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 1, 2, 3. 2 more of those. We're gonna start chip chopping it down. I just made that term up. 2. Up, hook. 1 more. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Twist. Okay, we got 1 of each. Up. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Up. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. Then we'll go to the next part. Cross, cross, cross. Last time. Cross, 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 twist. So you slip, hook, jab. Or tap, hook, jab. Okay? Slip, hook, jab. Hook, jab. Okay? You have that? Please turn with those hooks. Hook, jab. I'm trying to find a movement that doesn't aggravate me. I have to stare at you. Tap forward. Okay, we gotta put it together. Up, remember to start with the front arm. That's for me. That's for me. Gotta tighten my watch band for this. Okay, up, hook. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Now slip, hook, jab. Slip, hook, jab. Up, hook. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Slip, hook, jab. Slip again. Slip, hook, jab. Now forward. For the last part. I think it's the easiest. Well, the 3 crosses and the twist, that's pretty simple. But this is like, if you've done my classes, we do this all the time, okay? Jab, cross, double. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Remember, turn on the crosses. Double cross. Bring that hand back, quick. Quick. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Can you put more power in it? Ugh. Get those abs really tight. 2 more. Then we're gonna put it all together. Help me. Up, hook. 3 crosses. 1, 2. Twist back. Slip. Hook, hook, jab. Jab, cross, double. Up, hook. 3 crosses. Twist. Slip. Jab, cross, double. 2 more times. Up, hook. The music. 3 crosses. Slip. I'm so thrown off by so many things. Jab, cross. I'm like squirrel. Up, hook. 3 crosses. 1, 2, 3. Slip. Hook, hook, jab. Now jab, cross, double. Jab, cross, double, jab, cross. Oh, I survived. We got those 2 drills. Remember, they're easy drills. So you want to jazz them up? You feel free. This is your workout. I'm just here for the bad jokes. Tap, tap. They're going to be simple. Okay? We can be jumping, going crazy. You might see me snap in half if I did that. Okay. Up and over, up and over. You know what's really annoying is when you're injured, people go, it's because you're getting old. I got injured in my 30s. It's all about recovery. I'm really bad about the recovery aspect of fitness, even though I kind of hypocritically preach it. Now reach a little further. Remember, if you turn your body, remember those arms are important if you're looking to burn some calories. 8, 7, 6. More. 3, 2, 1. We got the quick punch. Fast as you want to go. Why don't you test yourself? See how you can go faster than you think. 4, 3, 2, go. Push full. Bring it back into your face, but don't hit yourself. Come on, go faster. Can you? I think you can. Now if you're starting to punch yourself, slow it down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 break. Still set. We got our next combo. Much simpler. Okay, this one is going to involve movement forward. Okay? That's why I'm backing up. Backing up. Okay, so I get this side forward. It's going to take 2 steps. Then it'll change. And then go back. Okay? Turn this foot out. Go back. So you can also add punch, punch, go back. Okay, this is easier, and some people prefer this, especially if you're on carpet, because I'm going to shuffle up and I'm going to double time the punch. Bump, 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 and then 2 steps back. 1, 2, 3, take it back. Slide up. Yeah. Okay, give me 4 more. Use whatever space you have available. Don't trip over any furniture or pets. Okay, 2 more. 1 more. Other side jab, jab, other side jab, simple. You don't want to jab, you can tap. Now move up this way, 2 steps. So punch, punch, back, back. Okay, I'm going to add the shuffle option, you don't have to do it. Step back, step back. Reach those punches. This punch 2 times. Jack. Other arm. Jack. We're going to go back to the other side. One more. Move up. Shuffle. Or 2 steps. Go back. 2 jabs. Jack. 2 jabs, other arm. Now you're going to go the other way. Shuffle up. Back. 2 jabs. Your arm's already there. Jack. Shuffle up. Jab. Jack. Other side. Now tap. Can we add on to that? Absolutely. Heel palm. Heel palm. Palm heel strike. Okay? Now give me 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Don't snap your elbow into a lock, okay? Shovel up. 2 jabs. Jack. Other arm. So you're turning. Tap forward. Okay? Heel palm strike. And fingers are bent. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. I keep hitting my mic. Okay, we're gonna cut that down. Move up, shuffle. 2 jabs. Jack. Other arm. Jack. Now heel palm strike. 3. 1, 2. Move up, shuffle. Jab 2 times. Jack. Other arm. Jack. Heel palm strike 3. We got it one more time each way. Move up, shuffle. 2 jabs. Jack. Other way. Jack. Heel palm strike 3. Okay, last time this way. Move up, shuffle. 2 jabs. Jack. 2 jabs. Jack. Heel palm strike 3. Tap forward. Moving on. This one we're going to go for speed. And we'll keep adding on, keep adding on, keep adding on. I don't know how many times I'm adding. I've just said it 3 times. You can always keep the tempo. If it gets too good. Alright, jab, cross, jab. 1, 2, this is tempo. Now you don't want to be up here. Okay? Elbows down. Turning those hips. Reach that punch. That back heels up, let that knee turn. Now double time pause. 1, 2, 3. We've done this before. 1, 2, 3. Front, back, front. Jab, cross, jab. Listen. Give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front hook. Front hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Turn those hips. Do you have that? Easing on that shoulder. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 hooks. 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 2 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hook. One more time. 3. 5 with 2 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hook. Tap forward. We're adding on to that. How do you feel? Good? Okay. We got the back ascending elbow. Smooth your hair. Boom. So you're hit with the elbow. Now a little bigger with the legs. 4, 3, that hand goes back. Now triple jab. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Back elbow. Take a step. And then triple jab. 1, 2, 3. Extend the elbow. I'm going to say elbow whoop. Okay. 3 jabs. Okay. Jab, cross, jab, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 2 elbows or hooks. Now elbow up. Triple jab only. Jab, cross, jab, 3. 5. 2 hooks. Elbow up, 1. Tap. I didn't do that part. We got one more thing to add. Oh my goodness. I'm going to keep it simple. The more stuff I add, I try to keep it simple. I shouldn't trust anything that comes out of my mouth, okay? You can put your hand on your thigh. If you're decrepit like me, I'm okay as long as it doesn't hinge too much. Now you can lift the knee. Okay? Now you can reach further down. Okay, yeah, 4 more. We're gonna go from the top. This is all we're adding. Triple jab, cross jab. 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 2 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow up. Triple jab. Punch down, knee up. Punch, knee, punch, knee. Tap. How'd you do? Did you do okay? We're gonna do it one more time. Jab, cross, jab, quick. Now 5, 2 hooks, elbow up, 1, triple jab, punch down, knee up, punch, knee, punch, knee. Awesome job. We got the other side, then we're gonna throw some drills on the end, okay? Remember, we start tempo. I stretch myself. I got all into it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So aim those punches. Okay. Now quicker. 1, 2, 3. Back to your face. Not this, okay? Aim those knuckles. First 2 knuckles, okay? Boom. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, got 4 more? Okay, we got 5 and 2 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hook, hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hook, hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it 4 more times. Drill it. How you feeling with that? The other side can feel different. Now 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 hooks. 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, elbow up. Remember your hands towards the back. 4 more. Use that hip. You can easily make this small. Triple jab only. Reach, 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 bring it back. 2 more. Elbow up. 4, 3, bring your hip with you. 1 more. Triple jab. Elbow up 2 times. Triple. 1, 2, 3. 1 elbow up. Triple. Going back to the top. Jab, cross, jab, 3. Now 5. Hook. Elbow up 2 times. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I did it faster. Triple. 1, 2, 3. 5. Elbow up. I'm going to do it right this time. Triple jab. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow up. Take a step. Triple jab. Okay, punch down. Oh, I can twist much better on this side. Turn your chest. You're turning the knee, you're turning the hip. You're turning everything. Let's see if I can lift this knee. Kinda. With great effort. I'll lift it a little bit. Okay, 2 more. We're gonna put it all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. 2 hooks. Elbow. 1. Triple jab. Punch down, knee up. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1 elbow up. Triple jab. Punch down, knee up. 1 more time through. Yeah. Triple. 1, 2, 3. 5. Elbow up. Triple jab. Punch down, knee up. March. I should go get a deep tissue massage. Okay, a little bit of water. How are you feeling? Am I giving you enough of a workout? I hope so. Okay, easy drills that you can make as big or small as you want. We did those repeater knees at the beginning. So we're going to start with your right knee. Step your knees. Then it'll start to change and evolve and grow. 1, 2, 3. That wasn't a grimace. That was a smile. A very awkward one. Oh. Don't get about Okay, now you can make this higher. You can jump this. I'll admire you from afar. Use those arms. Burn more calories. Work the core a little more. Get those shoulders. 1 more. Okay, we're going to stay on the side and give me 7 knees repeatedly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap back, same leg. 7 again. Keep those abs really tight. Now get ready to turn around. Step back, turn around. 7. Oh, this side. Much better. 3, 2, tap back. 7. Okay, step back. Hook, 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 up, up. Hook, hook, up, up. Notice I'm never standing up straight. I'm always curled in, protecting myself, no in middle. So we're going to put this together. You're going to be this knee, okay? 7 knees. 3, 2, switch sides, 7. So it's going to be this hand, hook, hook, up. Hook, hook, up, hook, hook, up. You got 4 more. Give me 4 jabs. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2. Put your whole body into it. When you go slow, you got time for more power. Now watch. Jab, across, jab, then switch. Jab, across, jab, switch. Jab, across, jab, switch. Jab, across. 7 knee repeater. 3, 2, switch. 3, 2, hook, up, hook, hook, up. 2 more. Jab and cross. Jab, cross, jab, switch. March. Okay, we got one more little thing to do. Just check and make sure that clock is right. It's 1 minute slow. That's not bad. Okay. Out, out, in. Usually this. 4. Let up. I could go faster. I know you want to go with the music, I do. I don't want you to go quick. Like you can go wider if you want to keep it lower. That increases the intensity. Use your arms. Use your arms. Come on, quick, 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 quick. Coordination, good thing. We can all use more of that. 10 seconds. Come on, can you go faster? You don't know unless you try. 3, 2, 1. Little calf work. Out and in. Tempo. Okay, ready? Quicker, or wider, or lower, or all of it. Now, if you don't work your coordination, you're going to lose your coordination, okay? Use it or lose it. You just build up, okay? 10 seconds. Come on. It's okay for your calves to burn a little bit. Means you're challenging them. 3, 2, 1. Now, if you feel outright pain, you stop. Okay? Tap forward, switch. Nice. Okay. Present. Open up the chest. You spend all that time here. Open up. Okay, now stay with this side forward. Bring it back behind you like a little snow angel. Back behind you. Squeezing those shoulder blades together. Bring the hand to your thigh. Shift to the back hip. Lift that tailbone up. So you're turning that little bucket of your pelvis forward like you're going to pour. Don't put any pressure on that knee. Should feel a hamstring stretch. Okay, come up. Take a step back, curl under. You don't want to be so close that your knee is jutting out. And if you want to deepen the stretch, squeeze your glute, tip back. If that bothers you for any reason, especially the lower back, you can go deeper. Up, switch sides. Open up, squeeze back. Take it down. Up. Now you can let that back heel go down, stretch through the calf. Oh, that feels good. Take it down onto your thigh, or your hips, shift back, chest lifted, you're not rounding that upper back. And if you flex out of it, you get a little calf stretch. Come up, put that foot back, tuck your pelvis under, bend that knee. You can lean back if that feels good. Squeeze that glute so you release that hip flex. Bring it in, feet about hip width or wider. That feels comfortable for you. Bring it up, lift up out of the rib cage and over to the side. Abs in, bend the knees. You don't want to be straight or you're not going to be able to go very far. It's going to put stress where you don't want it. Okay? Go the other way. Up and over. Bring it center. Big inhale.